Welcome to Dr. Social Problems. In this video, I would like to answer the question, what is the cause of violent crimes? I would like to proceed from outline through analysis to conclusion. In case you're in a hurry, please jump over to the conclusion part at the ending scene. Are you ready? Let's start. There was a case in which 64-year-old man stabbed 41-year-old Filipino lady who owns a bar. He relentlessly stabbed her in the back and in the lower back. After she ran away, he left the scene totally covered in blood. Why do you think he did things like this? If you are interested in this kind of discussions, please click that channel logo you see in the corner. And now, according to the report, he was arrested at his apartment house only 2 miles away from the bar. And he reportedly confessed that he was angry that he was restrained from the bar, and he thought he was made fool of, ignored by the Filipino lady. Interesting thing is, after the restraint was issued, he was witnessed several times outside of the bar, allegedly saying to his friends, "I don't know what to do, not able to go to the bar anymore." Allegedly, he was standing outside the bar almost every day for 3 months. His old classmate says he dropped out of high school because of a motorcycle accident he caused. And this friend reports he was surprised this perpetrator called him after long interval over the age of 60. During the conversation, he allegedly said, "Is that guy doing all right? I wish I could see him," and so on. Based upon all these pieces of information, what do you think drove him to act out this violent stabbing incident? To explain this situation, there's only one word coming out, which is obsession. Knowing that he dropped out of high school due to his accident, we could tell he is highly probably from dysfunctional family. It could be either abuse or, more likely, neglect. Brought up under dysfunctional family, it is said that the child development stops under such dysfunctional condition. The kid most likely develop negative views about the people and society, which leads to psychological isolation from surrounding people. And because he was neglected at home, he had strong dependency on other people, trying to make up for the love he missed at his family life. Almost all violent criminals share this obsession that is caused by psychological isolation, and probably he was having favorable feelings towards this Filipino owner. But I speculate due to his excessive dependency, the lady started to feel it was too much, which led to that restraint order. And as he himself was saying, he actually did not know what to do, losing the opportunities to go to the bar, which is considered very important part of his socialization, in which he releases his daily frustrations. Originally being an isolated, lonely person, that tendency exacerbates as he gets older. Without having other substantial associations, all he was thinking about was the grudge against the bar who blocked him from visiting as customers. Without having any actual exchanges with other real people, his fantasies and obsessions only kept growing. And when that frustration reached a level which he could not hold back anymore, he just acted out. As a professional, it is considered to be what they could not avoid as a result of his psychological dynamics. And behind almost all violent crimes, there is this abnormal obsession. As the ending song of a movie, American Me, No Sunshine by Kid Frost is singing, goes with high obsessions. Cannot just let go of what most of people will let go. And in the song, the guy fell in the death row. So please remember, obsession is the root cause of almost all the violent crimes. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.